Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to use Chatbase for free in 2026. If you want to build an AI chatbot without spending any money, the free plan is a great place to start. So let's get started. First, open Chatbase in your web browser and sign in to your account. If you don't have one yet, create a free account using your Google account or email address. Once you're on the dashboard, click Create AI Agent * to start building your chatbot. Yeah, you can train it by uploading documents, adding website links, or typing custom instructions. Next, give your chatbot a name and choose its behavior. You can customize how it responds before making it available to users. After that, test your chatbot using the built-in chat window. If everything looks good, you can copy the embed code or share the chatbot link with others. Keep in mind that the free plan includes limited message credits, basic AI models, and a smaller training size, so it's best for learning or testing before upgrading. Also, free AI agents may be removed after a period of inactivity. And that's it. You now know how to use Chatbase for free and create your own AI chatbot. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.